All right, it's about time I show y'all my audio setup. Let me get the cover off of it first. Get the hood off. 472 bit block original. 6,000 original miles on it. So let's start here. Primary battery. I got a double run going off of it. This is welding wire. It's that I think it's double light. I can't remember what I bought, but yeah, welding wire. Got the battery isolator up front to keep my primary battery from going dead. Alternator is ran to the primary battery. I got the big 3 on it. I use this fuse holder pretty much like a distribution block. So you see the double run coming off of there. Wrap around the front and lead to the primary battery. Double fuse again. Primary battery here. Secondary battery. My apologies. This one is double grounded just as well as the primary battery double grounded. From here, it goes from the secondary battery down through around the frame. I haven't went through the frame yet. Around the frame. Double fused again. And then from there, it goes inside of the frame. It goes down inside the frame all the way to the back. Let me go around the other side. All right. From the front, comes up through here. I still haven't finalized everything. But you see the double runs here come to the third battery. And instead of running everything off of just the primary wiring and stuff in this old car, man, I decided to do I made a sub panel. So basically, all the music runs off this sub panel here. The DSP. Let me see if you can see down there. 800-watt PRV. That's for the mids. Got an 8,000-watt audio pipe. No for the subs. Can't see it, but it's let me see. It's an epicenter back there too as well. And also another, maybe I think it's a 100-watt PRV. But yeah, we got a PRV DSP. We got another isolator simply because, you know, I got a lithium battery here. And everybody know you can't run them AGMs with the lithium, so you gotta disconnect them somehow. Let me see where it's at right now. And that one rested like, yeah, 13.2. Everything ran. You got another double fuse here up to the lithium, and from lithium straight to the AK AP, the audio pipe, 2-ohm stable. There go the epicenter if you can see it. I'm running 412s. 412 audio pipe 3-stack, and roughly like a 3-cube box. 10 cube, my apologies. Roughly like a 10 cube box. Boxer built myself. Port area is around, I want to say, I can't even remember what it is. Maybe 120, 180, something like that. But man, let me know what you want to hear on there. I'll play your music, your favorite song. You let me know, and I got you.